Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako po yung Louis Season.
Ako Marco Nanan, yung Warren Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga daw ngayon, may imbita kami pong pasibayo kay ni Crabaholic Balibago.
Yes.
So, belitada kaya kami guys na bayo niya palang management ini. So, bunin sabihin, Crabaholic 2.0 mo yan.
Yes.
Upgraded na laring paman kay ni, deng services, deng gana-gana makanya ne. Ating kami pang gewa. Kasi kaya katamong community na, post tamong #tukimokunaw. Kita po, good luck karetang Makyabe. We hope to see you here. Sana apagpa-enjoy tala mo naman kayo ni. And thank you so much, Crabaholic Balibago.
So, tara, let's go!
Okay, so abe tayo Ma'am Kit na #tukimokunaw winner. So we're gonna wait. Ito kabala na so may itong pandintang keng kaya tamong #tukimokunaw Francis. Kung atatanda na Francis sa chuya kita may itong tamong milk tea. O ito, ready na ako mga answer.
Marami na akpin eh.
Mahilig ang seafood.
Siyempre, imakpin, mahilig yung seafood eh. Diyan ako mahilig ko rin.
So before we dig into our meal today, di nanda kayo pang dita ka B-roll, dita ka B-roll nung nano na rin ang pamang-tamo kayo. 3, 2, 1. First time mo kayo, Francis?
First time ko po mga.
Aside from seafood, nakalapan mo naman a la carte dishes. Like for example, this one. Of course, who wouldn't recognize this one? Chicharon bulaklak. At tinta mo naman kay baby back ribs. Iba tinta mo naman soup. Sinigang. Kita mo muna is sweet and spicy. Ining kakadwa naman is butter garlic. So, patinla mo naman palang buffalo wings. O sabi ko kaya kayo nandun guys na Crabaholic Balibago under new management yan. They just newly grand opened anyang November 15. Sabi na nitang owner nandun, expect something new, expect more improved dishes, services, mga yan eh. Ining aslamda guys is super compliment ining chicharon bulaklak. Sabi ko pin kaya kayo guys na atin la pong other a la carte dishes kaya ni like this one, ining sinigang na shrimp. Takman tayo. Nano nga buri ko kayo ni guys, no, unlike ketang usual na sinigang tamo itang maslam, itang sweetness na ning shrimp, lindwal, anya medyo mayumuyo. I can have this all day long. Ooh. Sabi ng Ma'am Kit na din, malambot siya. Sumuha tayo. Wow! Nakabuli mo kin taste na, Ma'am.
Hindi kasi king kilo, pati niya pang lasa. Naliwit ang outer.
So, syempre, pating man tayo ngayon kaya namata na yung kin. Ooh, look at that!
Walang bigapin na pong wala sayang gagawin.
Yung kaya katamong dessert guys, ating tamong fruit salad, ating tamong buko pandan salad, ang po. Macaroni. Dakal mo naman mangot ng kaya katamon no kanila reta. Unlimited seafood.
Yes.
Unlimited crabs, mga yan. So, i-Crabaholic po, tends to serve unlimited crabs and seafood kayo ni po na. Located lang kayo ng Diamond Spring Hotel. Just along MacArthur Highway na ning Balibago, Angeles City. Yung pinaka-landmark na nini guys, nung medyo malilito kayo, itang keng Balibago Police Station or itang kitang BPI Bank ito. So they're open from 10 a.m. up until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Just message their fan page just to make sure po tamunta kayo kayo ni talagang super satisfied kayo. Ating kumumetong watang Sir Francis, Tukimo ko Israel.
Okay mo kay Cyril.
Ma'am Kit, Tukimo ko Israel.
Tukimo ko Israel.
Alright, Tukimo ko Israel guys. Kaya kayo, abang-abang kayo mo po kaya katamong fan page wall bakan to. I-experience nyo muna maningan tinganini. So guys, dako salamat po kay Pamalbe, kaya kaming vlog. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends, to your family, to your co-workers, to your classmates, mga yan Tapos sana akit na kayo muna po kayo ng Crabaholic Balibago. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Till our next discovery. Peace out. Bye.